Here I have ASUS ROG Phone 6D, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be messages or calls from certain people or contacts or anyone, you can adjust it for yourself. You can also add apps to exceptions. You can also add alarms and other interruptions. You can set up a schedule for this mode. You can set up default duration of it. You can also set it to auto turn on immersive mode. Okay. You can also show notification when turned on, and you can also hide notifications here. So for example, you can only disable sound from notifications, you can disable sound and visuals, or you can customize it for yourself, what you want to disable and what you want to left enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.